Purchasing books can be an intimidating thing for incoming freshmen. The bookstore is full of countless options to purchase from, but only so little are the right ones for you. We're here to help you navigate through the ordering process with as much ease as possible. First, open a new browser and go to NDUS Campus Solutions. Next, log in with your NDUS account information on the website. Once you are in Campus Solutions, click on the Student Self-Service button where you will see the classes which you are registered in. Click on the book icon next to one of your registered classes. After you click on the book icon, all the required text for the class will appear. Select from online, print versions, and use new versions, then add the book to your cart. When you have added all the books you need for school, click Continue Checkout. Next step is payment, which can be done through a card or NDSU account billing. For the purposes of this video, we will not be continuing with checkout. Digital books will appear in Red Shelf. We will show Login and show Red Shelf. Once logged into Red Shelf, your books will appear right on the home page. If you order a physical book from the bookstore, you'll be able to pick the materials up within the first 2 weeks of the semester. The bookstore is located on the first floor of the Memorial Union near the south entrance. All in all, ordering books can seem like an uphill struggle for a new student. The provided steps are here to act as a helpful guideline when purchasing your book options. We hope you found our video helpful, and thanks for watching.